Good morning, what's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's that time of the week where we go through our live trade and break it down step by step. The trade hasn't happened, it's still 40 minutes to go, so let's get going, guys. Good morning, what's going on, Monopoly family? Guys, it is that time of the week where we go through our live trading session. I want to break it down for you guys step by step, show you the trade before it even happens. Stock market opens in 20 minutes. You're not just going to witness me trade, you're also going to witness the guys that follow my trading style and their results, because we're going to trade one stock, the same stock majority of the chat will be trading, and I'm very confident in the results before they even occur, for one simple reason: we have a framework that we follow. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and have a look at the rest of the tutorials. And by the end of this video, I'm also going to sit down with you guys and answer some of the questions that you have left in the comment section, such as brokers to use, money you need to get started, etc, etc. So guys, with that being said, comment the word Monopoly, because I'm going to do a giveaway, access to my chat room and the course. Make sure to comment Monopoly and smashy before we get into the video. So first thing first, guys, obviously find the stock we're going to trade, the stock that has the news, because remember, news will affect the stock to move significantly up or down. And right here, guys, I'm looking at the stocks that are moving pre-market significantly. Okay, so we have a few stocks here, but we're actually going to trade one simple stock, and that is CALM. Alright guys, so it's game time. We've got 10 minutes, 11 minutes left. I just launched up the stocks that the guys should be watching. One of them is CALM, and you see that I attached a pattern 4 to it. They know what a pattern 4 means. We have 4 patterns. This pattern is attached to this stock because this stock is down 4 or 5% before market opening, pre-market, and there is a reason why that happens, and that's because they just released an earner report. Now we know what's going to happen when an earner report is released. An earner report is just a financial statement a stock will release every quarter, and we have an earner report released every single day for a different stock. So it's the same behavior, it's the same setup, guys. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're basically going to analyze further, and we're going to execute the trade once the market opens, because that's what we trade when the stock market opens due to the volume. Alright guys, so it's 5% now pre-market. So some of you will say, how are you going to make money when it's already down? Well, don't worry, we will, because nothing stays the same. After every spike there's a pullback, after every drop there's also a pullback, remember that. So guys, let's get going. I'll see you in a few minutes. We're going to transition from this camera over here to this computer, and we're going to do the live recorder for you guys. So hopefully you will enjoy this, and before we get in, smashy and show your boys some love. Alright guys, so market just opened, guys, and we have a short position ready to go here. There's shorts coming in. There we go. 400 shares shorted of CALM. I'm gonna add another 400 here. Okay, so now we are profitable already. So just breached the round figure. I'm in a loss. It seems like the market is reacting heavy to this trade. Alright, so we've got a pattern. Although I jumped in quickly, I've got 2 positions open on that trade. Now the stock is going to go in my favor in a few minutes. This is my opening position at 40. So here we are, profitable, guys. 190, 180. So $700, guys. There's still room for this. I'm gonna have to get out before the 39, because that's the psychological point for traders. So guys, I took 977 from that trade, and that was a volatile stock, so I had to exit quickly, so I didn't have the chance to record anything. But guys, I just want to show you the results of the chat room, right? Those are the guys that follow my trading style. I've taught them how to do that. So have a look at these results, guys. 230, 153. Some people trading with larger positions, more money, more profits, obviously more risk you carry. But have a look at all this green, guys. I was confident in this trade before it even happened for the simple reason we have an edge over the market with these patterns. So have a look, guys. 122k, $560, $140, $97 on the same trade, CALM, CALM. So 84 on CALM as well, almost 3%, $95. So this trade, let me just go back. Well, here's the meme of the day by Keith, by the way. Photoshopping me in these things. So $250, 232, well done, guys. $35, 78, 1.4. So pattern 4 is something you'll see on the chat repeated because that's our edge. 218, 110, guys. 95, 3%. We've seen that already. But yeah, guys, well done to everybody who got to kill it. That's what I like seeing. And I'm sure a lot are still in the trade. But yeah, that was a beautiful trade, guys. Alright, guys, so let's go through the questions you guys left in the comment section. Though this trade, guys, lasted 10 minutes. One trade only at 9:30 a.m. came out profitable, and now the computers are shut. I'm not trading anymore. And that is my trading strategy. And everybody else following me are doing the same thing. They execute this strategy, the framework, and they're done. They come out profitable, so be it. If they don't, tomorrow we recover. So tomorrow I'll go in and make the same trade again. One trade, and I'm done for the whole day. I don't have to, you know, stay in the computer clicking buttons because that's not trading. Then why the hell would I get into this in the first place if I have to spend the whole day trading and watching my computer? It just doesn't make sense. So 15 minutes a day is how much you need with this framework that I teach here on this channel. So guys, what brokers should you use? That is the most popular question, and I'm sick of it this day, so let me answer it here in this video. So as long as your broker has cheap commission and allows you to short stocks, not just buy stocks, because there's two ways to make money in the stock market. There's buying stocks and there's shorting stocks. There's betting that the stock will go down in value, and there's betting that the stock will go up in value, which is buying. Shorting is when you bet it's going down in value, and you can profit when the stock goes down in value. So you can use many brokers as long as it allows you to short stocks and has cheap commission. And the PDT rule for Americans, if you have $25,000, you don't have to worry about that rule. If you have less than that, you will have to worry, so you might have to use an offshore broker. So here's a list of some brokers you can use, guys. Short Trader, Trade Zero, these are offshore brokers based in the Bahamas, I think, and every single person can use them, including the ones from Europe. And you can focus on TD Armature or TOS, that's another one. E-Trade is another one. Interactive Brokers is another one. I'll have a list here. I don't use any of these things. I used to use Short Trader back in the day. If you follow me from the beginning, you would have seen me use that platform. I don't use it anymore. I use CFD Broker. So I don't encourage you guys to use a CFD Broker because it has commission, widespread, and if you don't know what you're doing, then you're probably not going to come out profitable. So you need to get experience before using these CFD brokers, but it's the same strategy, it's the same setup, guys. So my framework, anybody can use it. Doesn't matter if you trade shares or actual shares or CFDs, you can trade that same setup. So that's the brokers. You will have to find out and do your own research on those. And how much do you need to begin with? Well, guys, this question comes up time and time again. You really don't need much. Right? At the end of the day, it's up to you. How much do you want to make? The more money you have, the more shares you can buy or short. The more money you can make, the more risk you will carry at the same time. So you can start with $500. With my trading strategy here, with my style of trading, we make 1 to 2% a day on average. On a good day, 3%. So calculate 1% of your actual capital, and that will tell you how much to make. Now, I trade high cap stocks majority of the time, but other guys will trade penny stocks. And both penny stocks, you can make 5–10% on a good day, when there's hype and news. So you can start off with 1,000 to 2,000, something to kind of keep you motivated. You don't want to be making peanuts and not get motivated to remain in the game. But it's not about how much you make to begin with. It's about your education. It's about learning something, having a plan before going in with real money, practicing this plan, and then coming out with an edge, going into the market with real money. So that's what we have today, is an edge. So make sure to learn that, guys. Make sure to learn my style of trading. I know we don't use any indicators, any kind of lines and whatever, for the simple reason that doesn't work. Now, you might disagree with me, but at the end of the day, 90% of the chat came out profitable, and I said this before, you can bring me any chat room and it won't be 90%. And we traded the same stock. For the simple reason we have an edge over the market, we understand the psychology, we have a framework, and this framework repeats itself day after day. Every single day there's an earner report that we use, and yeah, we come out profitable hopefully every single day. If not, that's okay, we have risk management 2%, we take the loss, we walk away, we come back tomorrow, and we recover. And that's how we do this for a living in the first place. Alright guys, appreciate you for watching. Another question, can I get into the Discord chat without getting the course? Absolutely not, because this is exclusive for the guys that have the course. If you want to get the course and you want to be part of the chat room, there's a link in the comment section, guys. Click it and it will direct you. You'll see me there in the first place because I made a video like this. And yeah, you'll get access to the course and the Discord chat, guys. And you'll be part of this and know exactly what I know and trade the way we trade. Peace, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like button if you made it this far. And I'll see you for more. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. Otherwise, I'll see you on YouTube for more videos. Peace.